Something absolutely unprecedented is happening within Apple's desktop engineering division, and it is about to completely disrupt the entire consumer and professional computer industry. While the mass market has spent all its energy focusing on expensive laptops and massive desktop towers, a select group of hardware engineers in Cupertino has been quietly finalizing a device that sounds like pure science fiction. If you think the compact desktop market has reached its peak, you are completely unprepared for the massive architectural shift that is about to hit the industry. A sudden, highly classified flood of advanced component manufacturing manifests, supply chain chip allocations, and internal operating system code leaks have officially blown the lid clean off Apple's most highly anticipated project, the Mac Mini M5. This is not just a routine, minor annual update or a simple cosmetic refresh to look pretty on a desk. Apple is preparing to drop an absolute monster of a machine, built from the ground up to completely crush the boundaries of ultra-compact computing, high-end creative workflows, and local artificial intelligence data processing. For the past several years, the compact desktop landscape has been locked in a relatively predictable cycle. Every major manufacturer followed the exact same formula. Drop a slightly faster processor into the same metal box, optimize the internal fan curve, and call it a brand new generation. True structural physical innovation in the small form factor category had hit a temporary wall, leaving tech enthusiasts, software developers, and creators feeling like they were buying the exact same machine over and over again. But behind closed doors, Apple's leadership realized that a safe, evolutionary upgrade would no longer cut it. With the sudden explosion of intense, localized artificial intelligence and the crushing computational demands of next-generation creative software, Apple decided to execute a total hardware and architectural reboot. The concrete intelligence slipping past their strict factory security paints the picture of a hardware leap so radical that it has sent shockwaves through the entire PC industry. To truly understand why the upcoming Mac Mini M5 is causing absolute panic among competing tech companies, we have to look directly at the monumental technological shift happening at the absolute core of the machine: the global debut of the M5 processor architecture. This marks Apple's very first desktop-class silicon platform built on a cutting-edge, ultra-dense manufacturing process that pushes the absolute boundaries of modern physics. Shrinking transistors down to this microscopic scale is an incredibly complex engineering feat that costs billions of dollars in development, but it completely rewrites the rules of computational efficiency. The M5 chip does not just offer a standard speed bump. It introduces a completely overhauled architecture that practically eliminates electricity leakage, drops internal heat generation to historic lows, and delivers a staggering leap in pure energy efficiency alongside a massive boost in raw graphics and processing power. But the real secret weapon driving the Mac Mini M5 is a revolutionary packaging technology known as wafer-level multi-chip module design. For the first time in a compact consumer desktop, Apple is integrating the system memory directly onto the exact same wafer as the CPU, the GPU, and the ultra-advanced neural engine. The Mac Mini M5 is breaking all historical boundaries by expanding its entry-level and per-tier configurations to pack unprecedented amounts of ultra-high-speed unified RAM. By placing this massive